Most people think Nigerian buns must be fried, but today we are breaking that rule. Take a look at these buns. It was made in an oven. It is lighter in texture and came out very delicious. Hello family, welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I share amazing homemade recipes you can try at home. These buns came out so soft. Let me show you how I made it. First, you start by sifting your all-purpose flour. I used about 2 cups of flour for this recipe. Go ahead to use more or less depending on the quantity you're making. Next, you add your powdered milk. I added about 2 tablespoons of powdered milk into the bowl. I went on to grate in some nutmeg, and then I added about 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. Go ahead to stir that up very nicely till well combined. Next, you add your butter or margarine. I use this spoon to measure out about 3 tablespoons of margarine. When that is done, combine everything together. I first started out with my spatula, but then I had to go in with my hands to properly combine this very well. Now go in with your eggs. I added just 1 egg to this recipe. I went in with my vanilla flavor, about a teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Now go ahead and mix everything together till well combined. Now gradually pour in your water. Make sure you add your water bit by bit. Be careful not to add too much water all at once. You do not want to ruin your buns. One tip you shouldn't forget is that if you want a rocky or crunchy buns, you should make it a bit thicker. For me, I am making a soft buns, and that is why I'm still adding a little more water at this point. So basically, the amount of water you add is going to determine the outcome of your buns. So now our batter is ready to be baked. So now you grease your baking pan with a little oil so the buns don't stick when they are ready. Now break in 1 egg we'll use for egg wash. Go in to scoop small portions of the batter and place on your baking tray. So my wonderful people, if you've watched to this point, I'm sure you have enjoyed this video so far. Please click the subscribe button, and subscription guys is free. Give me a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Do not forget to leave a little space after each scoop. The buns need space to expand slightly as it bakes. Now it's time to brush in your egg wash directly at the top of the buns. What this does is just to help with the shine and also improve the appearance of the buns. Go ahead to bake this in a preheated oven for about 20 minutes. And when they come out from the oven, this is what you get. Soft, delicious Nigerian buns that was baked and not fried. A better and healthier alternative. The outside of the buns has a little crisp texture, while the inside is soft, airy and fluffy. These buns taste great with tea, coffee, milk or any kind of drink you enjoy. And when you break one open, you can see the beautiful texture inside. Sometimes the best recipes comes from trying something different. By baking instead of frying, you can still get the same wonderful flavor of your obonge Nigerian buns while using a little oil. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.